Hey guys, today we're talking about wood processors. Here at Vallee Forestry Equipment, our main goal is to make your life easier with efficient and adapted pieces of machinery. And that's why we wanted to make a video showing you the main differences between our three wood processors. And I'm talking about the Joy, the Deluxe, and the Standard. Let's begin with the saw section. When talking about the saw, we are also talking about the different components included in it, such as the blade, the chain, as well as the log holding mechanism. It is important to know that all of our models are now equipped with an hydraulically controlled saw lowering. For the Joy, it comes equipped with a 24-inch custom-made blade with its steel chain, allowing you to work with 20 inches logs. For the Deluxe, it comes equipped with an 18-inch Oregon blade with its Oregon chain, allowing you to work with 16 inches logs. For the Standard, it is equipped with its 18-inch steel blade this time, coming with its steel chain, also allowing you to work with your 16 inches logs. As for the holding mechanism, all three units come equipped with a claw-like system, but only the Joy has it hydraulically controlled, compared to the Deluxe and the Standard that is manually activated. Now for the splitting section. There is generally two main key points when discussing or comparing splitters. It is mainly about the splitting cycle time as well as the power of it in tons. For the Joy, we are talking about a 30-ton splitter for a 6-second cycle. For the Deluxe, it is a 27-ton splitter for a 7-second cycle. And now for the Standard, it is a 27-ton for a 7-second cycle as well. It is important to note that only the Joy offers the option to hydraulically control the height of the splitting wedge. Now for the motors, it is one of the most important analysis points because the motor is directly the heart of your processor. It is with those gas motors that the entire hydraulic circuit will be powered. No matter the model you're looking at, every one of our three models come equipped with an electric starter. The Joy is equipped with a 20 HP on the motor with its independent gas tank. The Deluxe is equipped with a 13 HP on the motor, and the Standard is equipped with a 14 HP Coleman motor. Now concerning the mobility and the road options of our different wood processors, it is important to note that to be road legal, the unit must, among others, have signal lights, fenders, reflectors, a suspension, and tires rated up to 120 km per hour. Knowing that, the Deluxe is the only model which you can tow directly on the road. The Joy and the Standard both have wheels and tongues but can only be moved inside of your yard or on your land. Now with the conveyors, the possibility of having an in-feed and exit conveyor included with your unit is allowing you to easily manage your logs coming inside of your unit and the firewood coming out. The Joy has an in-feed conveyor of 6 feet going right up to the saw with its 11-foot long exit conveyor. The Deluxe also has an in-feed conveyor of 6 foot going right up to the saw. The exit conveyor is 10 foot long and on a swivel, allowing you to work with a 15-degree angle on the right as well as on the left. The Standard, on its end, has no in-feed conveyor included, but it is available in option. It comes equipped with a 10-foot long exit conveyor. When talking about conveyor belts, the Standard and the Joy both come equipped with regular 2-ply belts. For the Deluxe, on the other end, it is the only one that comes equipped with a heavy-duty, cold-resistant, high-end conveyor belt with metal cleats. Now that we covered every features, let's watch them in action.